let's start to learn how to actually start selling on Etsy. So step number one is, of course, to create your Etsy seller account. I showed you how to do that somewhere in the beginning of this video. The next step is to connect your Etsy account to AutoDS. And the reason that you want to connect with AutoDS is so that you can automate all of your Etsy dropshipping business, including importing products in just the click of a button from any one of our supported dropshipping suppliers, to automating your pricing settings, having automatic price and stock monitoring. So if the price or the stock status changes on any one of my suppliers, it will also change automatically on my Etsy store without me having to intervene. And on top of that, we also have automatic orders. So as soon as an order comes in, it can be processed for you automatically, even while you're traveling, even while you're sleeping, and a full business overview dashboard, and so much more that we have in the world's #1 dropshipping automation tool. And the best part is, just like Etsy is super cheap to get started with, so is AutoDS. You can start your trial for just $1 and see how it helps you automate and scale your dropshipping business and allow you to invest your time into growing your empire or having more time to spend with your family and friends while your business is continuing to run and scale and optimize in the background. Now, once you connect to AutoDS, you'll have the marketplace right here, just like I showed you, the winning products here on the left side. You'll have the dashboard where you can see all of your business metrics all in one place, even if you have multiple Etsy stores or multiple stores in different marketplaces like an eBay store, an Etsy store, a Facebook store. You can control it all under one screen. And in the orders menu on AutoDS, here's where you can see all of the orders that came into your Etsy account. So when you make a sale, you'll go to the order screen and you'll see the order here. When you click on the order details, you'll get all of the buyer's order details, their names, their address, where they're shipped to, and of course the product that's sold, which supplier it came from, how much profit you made, and so forth. Now, if you have automatic orders or fulfilled by AutoDS set up, then your orders will be automated for you as soon as they come in. They will be processed and sent out to your buyers. The difference between automatic orders and fulfilled by AutoDS is that in automatic orders, AutoDS will use your buyer accounts to log into your supplier's websites and purchase the product using your payment settings, whereas in fulfilled by AutoDS, all you have to do is top up your balance on the AutoDS wallet, which I talked about earlier. And as soon as an order comes in, it will process out using your balance, which you can see your balance status up here. And you can always continue to load more balance. And the only thing that you need besides balance is auto order credits. Each order costs 1 auto order credit, which is a few cents. And that's pretty much all that there is to it. Your orders will be processed 100% automatically, even while you're away from your computer. And this is another significant time-saving feature that will help you scale your dropshipping business and profit much more in the long run. And another thing that I want to add on the order screen is the order statuses, which update automatically if you've got automatic orders or fulfilled by AutoDS. So the order will come in pending or sent to auto order, and it will turn to ordered once it was ordered. On Etsy, as soon as it's shipped, you're going to have to go to your supplier's website, get the tracking information, and add it to your Etsy seller account, because Etsy at this point does not support automatic tracking updates, but your order will still be automated and the buyer will get their orders really quickly without you having to do anything besides update tracking information. The order statuses start in pending, they move to ordered once the order was ordered, shipped once there's tracking information available, and delivered once it was delivered to the end customer. And of course, you also have the products. So here I can actually see the products that I have on my Etsy store. So if I go back to Etsy and I click on listings, you can see that the listings that I have right here, okay, except for the handmade bag, which was the first product that I uploaded manually, which I explained in the beginning of this video. Besides that, we have these 4 products that I uploaded using dropshipping suppliers like I talked about. And these are the same 4 products that we can see right here in my products page. So all of the changes that I need to make, I can make it right here on AutoDS. For example, I can click on these lobster clasps, and here I can completely optimize the product, like the name, the category belongs under, the tags, the shipping policies, price monitoring, stock monitoring, automatic orders, the product's description, the variations that come with it, the product's images, and we also have an advanced image editor where we can completely optimize the product's image, add logos, add text, add icons, do whatever we want with it so that we can have a nice, unique image. And like I showed you, you can completely optimize your product from here. You can even add more variations, and to make it even more special, you can add different variations from different suppliers in different regions around the world and put it all under the same product listing. This way you'll have a unique product page that no other seller has out there. And besides that, we have product drafts, which is usually where products go to when we import them to our store, optimize them, then we move them to our products page. And we have more things like the AutoDS wallet to manage your finances, especially when you're fulfilling orders automatically. So you're going to connect to the AutoDS wallet, connect it with your Payoneer account, top up your balance to fulfill your orders automatically, and the system will do everything for you. And you have the AutoDS Academy, free courses, free content, free tutorials on any selling channel that you need, under any category that you need. Everything here is absolutely free for any and every AutoDS member. Okay, so that's a brief overview of the AutoDS menu. But now that we connected to AutoDS, let's connect it to our Etsy store. So right up here, I'm going to click on Add Store, or my Etsy shop because I already have a store. Then you're going to click on Add Store right here. Then I'm going to choose Etsy Store. Then you can see all of the selling channels that we can create a store on: eBay, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Facebook. But right now we're on Etsy. So we're going to click on Etsy and click on Continue. Now it's showing me an application would like to connect to your account. You're currently signed in as Liran@autods.com. AutoDS is trying to connect to your account. We're going to click on Grant Access. And lo and behold, that's all that it takes to connect your Etsy store to AutoDS and begin dropshipping automation.